Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start at the Wacky Wizards lobby to find the paint bucket recipe quickly. Head toward the lab entrance on the right side of the room. Inspect the bookshelves for a glowing book that teaches the recipe immediately. If the book is missing, then check the counter by the potion vending machine nearby. The recipe requires 3 ingredients, which I will list in the next slide. Learning the book removes guesswork and speeds up every brew session. Collect the 3 ingredients before using the cauldron to avoid interruptions. Find the paint can on the dock near the boat and crates. Grab an empty bucket by the market stall that sells cooking tools. Scoop color slime from the green pond in front of the windmill using your shovel. Carry items in your inventory and avoid dying because items drop on death. Return to the cauldron once you hold all 3 required items. Stand at the cauldron and place the paint can, empty bucket, then color slime in order. Wait for the bubbling animation to finish, and then click the resulting paint bucket to collect it. Use the paint bucket on furniture and NPCs to change their colors instantly for cosmetic effects. Store the paint bucket in your backpack to prevent accidental loss on logout or death. Trade extras with friends or sell them to players.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.